So here we're going to evaluate logarithms. So we're going to simplify, find the value of a logarithmic expression. So in this case we have log base 2 32, and we're pretty much trying to figure out what is this equal to. So one way you could do this is rewrite this as exponential form so you have an idea of what's happening. Your base is 2, the answer is 32, and what we're looking for is the exponent, right? So 2 to what power, let's call that x. 2 to what power is going to give us 32? So if you don't know this, you just start plugging in numbers. The answer is going to be 5. So the value of this, log base 2, 32, is going to equal 5. So if you multiply 2 to the 5th power, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 16 times 2, that's where you get the 32. So that's how you simplify that one. You are going to need to know exponent rules. So for the second example, let's go over some exponent rules first. If you have a base raised to a negative exponent, that is written as a fraction. So if you have a fraction in your answer, you're going to need to know that's how you're going to get there. The other rule that you're going to need to know is when you have fractional exponents. So let's use y. If you have y to the 1 over b power, that's written as a radical, where b is your index and y is your radicand. And then if it's a power of 1, it would just be to the first power. So these are important exponent rules you're going to need to know based on the problems that you're doing. So this problem, you're still evaluating. The directions are just a little different, right? We're going to solve the equation. We still have a log, so our base is 36. The answer is 6, and our exponent is w. So same deal, we could rework this. 36 to the w power equals 6. Okay, so 6 squared is 36. 36, to get to 6, you would actually have to do the square root. So the square root of 36 is 6, which means the exponent on top of the 36 would have to be 1/2, because we're talking square roots. So w would be 1/2. That would be the answer.